Don't mind, dude, but I find you to be a bit too soft. Kind people often find themselves in the receiving end of these statements. Wait. Does that mean being soft or being kind equates to being weak? This makes me explore the term strength. Is it only about the milestones we achieve for ourselves? Or to what extent we can draw positive strokes in someone else's life? Only the master stroke of the greatest painter can color the black and white canvas of one's life with bright hues. I assume it a great deal of sacrifice to be sharing a tiny piece of chips with my friends. I wonder how much power is needed to put forth the need of others way beyond your own without an ounce of regret or a claim to sacrifice. In competition, one's win comes with another's loss. I mean, I don't win if you don't lose. But in collaboration, we all win together. So isn't a package of 5 wins way smarter than that of 1 win and 4 losses? For a society to flourish, a me outlook must be replaced by a we vision. Through a collaborative act of imparting education to underprivileged kids, we are molding our race fitter for survival. Fast forward a few years, we can grant ourselves the privilege of being treated by some brilliant future doctors. But sadly, the profit of compassion has been very successfully underrated by our competitive education system.